All right, guys. It's been 30 minutes. Let's check on our greens. Oh, y'all can't see. See how they cook down? See all that room in that pot? Oh, y'all. Corey, can you come here? Y'all see that juices? That's that pot liquor. That's what the old folks used to call pot liquor. Do me a favor. Can you hold this while I do my video? I had to take them off the tripod. Okay, because I need my hands. Gotta get down to the bottom. Okay. All right. So, I had those simmering on number 3. Okay. That's okay. Now, what I'm going to do, add my onions. Yep, all the onions that I cut up. Okay. Now I'm going to add my meat. And I told you with the meat, it's best to go a little bit at a time. But see, I know me. And I know my greens. Right? That's what I told y'all. That's why I added the rest of that meat, you know. I had made more meat to put in these greens because I knew it wasn't going to be enough for just them ham hocks. And I had 3 ham hocks to begin with. So this is 3 ham hocks and 3 smoked turkey necks. Okay? Look how that's looking, y'all. Look how that's looking, y'all, so far. Okay? Definitely gonna put the rest. I love a meaty greens, child. And it's not even like it's a lot of meat. It's just the right amount to balance it out. And like I said, this is slow cooking on number 3. Well, first, you know, you got to bring it to a boil. And then once it starts boiling, you turn it down. Okay? Now, for the final part, vinegar. Yes, white distilled vinegar. I don't really measure. I just pour. Because I know how much vinegar I like in my greens. Okay. Now that I have this all mixed together, I'll add that lid back on it and let it cook for another about another 30 to 45 minutes, and I'll come back and check. I'm gonna put the timer on 30 minutes, and then I'll be back and see if it needs some more simmering and stuff like that. Okay, guys? But just once again, look at how that's licking. Look at how that's licking. Look at how that's licking. Okay, peace.